In the unthinkable event of a nuclear detonation, preparation and knowledge can mean the difference between life and death. This is your comprehensive guide to surviving and thriving in the aftermath of a nuclear explosion. Presented by Ultra Prime Selections Inc., your trusted source for survival essentials. A nuclear explosion releases devastating effects: a blast wave, intense heat, and radiation. The danger doesn't end there. Radioactive fallout can linger for days, weeks, or even years. Understanding the phases of a nuclear event is crucial to your survival. Blast zone, instant destruction; thermal radiation causes severe burns within seconds; fallout, radioactive particles spread by wind. The first moments after a nuclear blast are critical. Follow these steps to maximize your chances of survival. Take cover. Get indoors immediately. A basement or underground shelter is best. Avoid windows. Stay away from glass to protect yourself from the shockwave. Seal off entry points. Use duct tape and plastic sheeting to block air leaks. Stay informed. Tune in to emergency broadcasts for instructions. Ultra Prime Selections Inc. offers radiation-blocking curtains and durable plastic sheeting to help fortify your shelter. Every household should have a nuclear survival kit ready. Here's what you'll need. Potassium iodide tablets. Protects the thyroid from radiation. Gas masks and filters. Prevents inhalation of radioactive particles. Non-perishable food and water. At least a 2-week supply. Radiation detector. Monitors contamination levels. First aid kit. Includes burn ointments and antibiotics. Emergency radio, hand crank or solar powered. Ultra Prime Selections Inc. provides all these items in a single ready-to-go emergency survival pack, customized for nuclear preparedness. After the blast, the fallout is your biggest threat. Follow the 3's rule: shelter, sanitize, and sustain. Shelter. Stay indoors for at least 48 hours, preferably longer. Use heavy materials like concrete or lead for extra shielding. Sanitize. Remove contaminated clothing and wash exposed skin thoroughly. Use gloves and masks when handling fallout-covered items. Sustain. Ration your supplies and stay hydrated. Avoid consuming food or water that could have been exposed to fallout. Stock up on Ultra Prime Selections Inc.'s freeze-dried meals and water filtration systems for long-term sustenance. Once it's safe to emerge, rebuilding your life begins. Follow these tips for long-term survival. Use a Geiger counter to check radiation levels before venturing outside. Wear protective clothing and masks to minimize exposure. Work with your community to pool resources and share skills. Ultra Prime Selections Inc. offers tools for long-term recovery, including radiation detectors and portable power solutions. Together, we can rebuild. Preparation is the key to survival. With the right knowledge and tools, you can protect yourself and your loved ones. Visit Ultra Prime Selections Inc. today to start building your nuclear survival kit. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Be ready. Ultra Prime Selections Inc. Trusted survival solutions, ultraprimeselectionsinc.com.